Today, I playing. I'm on YouTube. Let's try. Oh, it's practical guy. Okay, yeah. Oh, got it. Done me over here. Done.
We may actually quickly try to get in our cars and get south of this. I think we have to go now in order to stay ahead of this and not get run over by it.
Mike then makes the call to escape the tornado by going south on Highway 81. This is a huge mistake.
Look at that.
As the Weather Channel crew frantically drives south, the tornado grows in size while also accelerating. The combination of growth and increased forward speed means that the tornado is effectively moving towards them at over 80 miles per hour. They have no chance of escape. Within minutes, the Weather Channel vehicle is at the core of the circulation.
Hold on, brothers. Hold on.
You see a tornado fly.
Everybody duck, go. Just keep going if you can. Keep going if you can. Everybody duck down. Everybody duck down.
See? Ah, yeah, happened. Are you spot? Let me see, I can see.
Their car is rolled 100 yards into the adjacent field.
What? Oh my gosh! You can see the lights on. Over here, the door. It's over here, the window. What? What are you doing? What? Oh my god!
Somehow, everyone survives.
Why?
But as the tornado barrels onwards, others would not be as fortunate. Immediately after striking the Weather Channel crew, the tornado turns north towards Richard Henderson, who's still driving east.
Come on!
Richard is caught in the violent pour. His vehicle is thrown into the nearby field and is crumpled. Tragically, Richard does not survive.
Die. Oh my god!
As the tornado is impacting Richard, it reaches a peak width of 2.6 miles wide, making it the widest tornado in recorded history.
My god.
Meanwhile, to the north, Team Twistex and another chaser, Dan Robinson, are frantically driving east on Reuter Road. They are now driving through the outer bands of the circulation. As the core of the tornado approaches Twistex, the winds momentarily subside, and Tim becomes aware of the dire situation. Moments later, their vehicle is directly impacted. Their vehicle is paused a third of a mile to the east. Tim, Paul, and Carl do not survive.
Do not survive?
A mile to the east, Dan Robinson...
Wait a second. So, what the hell? Looks like the storm changes? What? What is Get doing? What? What this is not okay? This is which one is it? Oh, tornado? Tornado? My god, the F5. Tornado's getting stretchy. Holy shit. Oh my god. Come on! Way. Yes. Oh my god, look at the lights on. Right behind. Oh. This will not fly. second. You can see right behind the car. What? This has happened. Oh my gosh. This has happened in a tornado. So I need to find a tornado. Oh, this
The next
is
one.
camera. This is the camera. The camera. Guys, raining in the camera. Why is the camera?
It doesn't quite feel symmetrical.
That's the 2-9.
Well,
It's
I
not
think
a tornado.
the optical illusion of it closing in there. Right.
There's
I
no
mean,
tornado.
can we just clear the frame here for a second, Peter?
That's the crew in the camera. Don't attempt it.
Hey guys, gentlemen.
What, dummy? What's it, dummy?
Hey, storm chasers. You guys need to go inside and stay put.
You guys actually get paid to do this?
I'm in the wrong damn job, Revis.
What's
You don't
wrong?
have a job.
That's why, buddy.
Listen to her. Go home.
Grab a brew. It's like a zombie apocalypse out here. Come on, let's go. Don't.
Hell yeah.
That's not a tornado.
What? Where'd it go?
That's not a tornado. It's true. These are what we have to say. These are just say goodbye. Oh my god. Look at the camera. Okay. It's gone. You killed the camera. Oh no. We won't sleep. Good. Wait. Get inside. Why are they get inside car? I can't wait. Yeah, water. How many Titus fire? Oh my god, you car. That's correct. What? Run. Tornado. Snippy tornado. Tornado gas. Lots of gas. Gas.
Green or red?
Red.
Black or orange?
Orange.
Yellow or blue?
Blue.
Green
Oh.
or red?
Orange. Green.
Pink or blue?
Blue.
Purple or white?
Purple. Purple camera. Look at that. Oh my god, fire! Look at tornado.
Background! 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 And action! Action! Action!
Just scoop us.
Okay, everybody. Go, go, go.
Good. Today, guys. Bye bye.